Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe video, and for today's recipe it is from Indonesia. My mom used to make this when I was a little girl. It is a steamed cake, but it's not really like dessert cake, but it's more to like a cake that you can prepare for brunch or late afternoon snacking because it has ground beef in it. It is sweet, but most of the time we serve it with hot sauce. So again, this is a cake, steamed cake, but not for dessert. You can make it as a dessert if you like meat or beef in your cake, in your dessert. Anyways, this is pretty easy. Usually I will bake it or steam it. I will prepare it in a tube pan or round pan, ring pan, but today I prepared it in cupcakes wrappers, so it's in bite-sized size, so it's easier for the boys to have it for school snacks. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So this is 4 eggs with 100 grams of sugar. We're just gonna beat it. Now we're gonna pour in 2 to 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Then we're gonna mix it again. For the dry ingredients, this is 150 grams of strong baker's enriched flour with half cup of skim milk powder and half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of salt. We're just gonna dump it into our mixer bowl, then mix it again. We're gonna pour in water, about 100 to 120 milliliter. We're just gonna mix it again. Take out about half cup of the batter, set aside, and with the leftover of the batter in the bowl, we're gonna add the meat. And then we're gonna mix it again. Now we're gonna pour the batter into our prepared cup. Fine steamer cup, or you can just use just regular bowl if you have, or baking pan. Line with paper, cupcake paper, and preheat your steamer on medium heat. Now we're gonna pour our batter into the prepared cup. Half cup batter that we reserved earlier. We're gonna mix a drop or 2 of pandan paste. Just mix it completely, and then we're gonna drop this batter on top of the other meaty batter. So you don't have to do it. I dripped some here and there. You don't have to do it. You can just use all meaty batter. It's up to you. I just want to give a little color. So now we're gonna steam it for 20 to 25 minutes. And before you placing the lid, you want to wrap the lid with a clean towel so the water doesn't drip to your cake. Now that it's done, you can top it with your favorite sauce and devour. I top it with sriracha.